Hello everyone, and I am super excited to announce that I will be hosting a 3-hour workshop on SwiftData fundamentals. We will be covering SwiftData architecture, relationships, testing, and even iCloud integration. This workshop is hosted on May 16, 2025 at 11 a.m. Central, and it's going to be live over Zoom. So let's go ahead and check out what we'll be building in this workshop. We will be creating a personal finance application which will allow you to track your budgets and the expenses in the budget. So you can see this is the app that we'll be building. Currently, we don't really have any budget, so I can go ahead and add a budget. I have a trip coming up to Mexico, so I'm going to go ahead and add a budget for that particular trip. Great. So now my total budget is $2,500. I can go ahead and add more items over here. I have another trip maybe in Denver, Colorado. I can add that budget, and you can see that it adds all of those things. You can see cumulative budget on the top. Now for Mexico, I can go also and look at the amount that I've spent remaining and the limit, and I can go ahead and add some expenses if I want to. So let's go ahead and add some expenses. I will be purchasing the airfare. That's going to be $250. And as soon as you do that, you can see the remaining amount is actually deducting from the airfare. And also I've already spent $250. The limit is $2,500. So it gives you that idea that what is spent, what is remaining, what is the limit. I can go ahead and add some other stuff also. Maybe I need like car rental or something. And the car rental will be, let's say, $400. So I can add those different things. I can also have the capability of deleting things. Maybe I don't really need car rental. I will take Uber. And you can see over here spent and all that stuff is now adjusted. So this is going to be a great app that we'll be building. Now, apart from that, we will also be looking into integrating testing. So you'll be learning about testing. You'll also be learning about SwiftUI architecture. And finally, let me show you, we will also be looking at the CloudKit integration. So you can see that all of our data, and this is for a different application, but we'll be learning about that all of our data will be hosted on the cloud. So this means that if you have multiple devices that are running, then you can actually utilize this. And here's the official page of SwiftData Fundamentals Workshop. The link to this workshop will be added in the description, so you can easily click and register for the workshop. Once again, it's on May 16, 2025, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central. This is a 3-hour workshop live over Zoom. Very hands-on workshop, as you have seen, that we'll be building. And you'll be learning about the correct or the built-in architecture for SwiftData. So you will remove all of those layers and just use it as it was meant to be used. All right. So this is a great workshop. Hopefully you will enjoy it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the workshop.